NVIDIA released their quarterly earnings and the company is doing extremely well. You can see here behind me that the data center revenue is up, as well as their overall revenue compared to last year and from the previous quarter. Now, there was some expectations coming into this with the market. They were kind of wondering if this whole AI wave and everything that NVIDIA is doing right now was sustainable. Well, they pretty much quieted the haters on this one, and the company is doing extremely well when it comes to this. Now, as I was listening to the call and just really understanding what's driving all this record revenue that you see here, and it's the fact that AI continues to be adopted, continues to be implemented, and then cloud providers really trying to meet that demand as their customers look to utilize these tools and capitalize on the efficiencies that are being brought forward with AI. A couple of other key takeaways to consider: sovereign AI, so keeping AI within the countries and the different parts of the world, making sure that that data stays there locally and nowhere else. Increased demand from large language models, as well as other startups that are looking to enter into the AI space. So infrastructure is going to be huge in all of this, and this demand is not going to die down as there's a continued push to move away from general purpose computing over to accelerated computing. I encourage you to listen to this earnings call, listen to what's being said about what's going on with AI, and then you'll be truly amazed as to witness this once in a generation change that we're witnessing right now with AI, and then how it's changing the data center landscape. There's no stopping what's going on right now, and I'm pretty excited about what's to come with this company and how this is going to affect us out there.